Hello everyone. In this video tutorial, I'll show you how to calculate time difference between two dates in Excel. Here I have a list of project names and their corresponding start and end date. To calculate the time difference, I have created a blank column called time difference in column D, where I'll be using different formulas to calculate the time difference. At first, I'm going to use the days function to calculate the time difference. For that, just select the top cell of time difference column, then insert equal. After that, type days from keyboard, then insert open parenthesis. Now it requires an end date and a start date. First, I'm inserting an end date, then comma, then insert date. Now insert close parenthesis and hit enter. So it returns the time difference in days, which is 8:26. To copy down the formula, just drag down the bottom right corner of the cell up to cell D10. So this is the calculated time difference in days. If you want to calculate the time difference in weeks or months or 365, we just need to divide our formula with 7, 30 or 365 respectively. Let me show you how can you actually calculate the time difference in weeks. Divide the previous formula with 7 and click enter. Here it displays dates instead of showing the time difference in weeks, which should be a number. So to fix this problem, we just need to change the cell format. For that, I am just selecting the entire column, and here from the date drop down, I am just changing the cell format from date to number. Here it displays some decimal places after the decimal point. To fix this problem, here click on decrease in decimal 2 times and it will remove all the decimal places. Now drag down the formula up to cell D10. So this is how you can use the days function to calculate time difference between two days in days, week, month or years, whatever you want. Now I'm going to use the text function to calculate the time difference between these two dates. So to use the text function, first select a cell, then insert equal. After that, type text from your keyboard, then insert open parenthesis. Now it requires the value. So a value is basically the difference between an end date and a start date. So I'm inserting a value here, then insert comma. Now it's time to insert a format text. So I'm inserting a format text here. After that, insert close parenthesis and hit enter. Now to copy down the formula, just drag down the bottom right corner of cell D2 up to cell D10. So there you go. If you want to exclude all the holidays in your calculation, you can use a function called NETWORKDAYS. To use this function, select a cell first, then insert an equal, then start typing network. So as I type network, Excel is already suggesting me the NETWORKDAYS function. To accept this suggestion, just double click on the function name. Now it's asking me to insert a start date first. So I'm just inserting 1, then insert a comma. Now it's asking for an end date. So I'm inserting an end date here. After that, it's asking for holidays. If you want to actually include some optional holidays, you can add them here. Otherwise, you can leave it blank. So I'm inserting a holiday here. After that, insert close parenthesis and hit enter. Now just drag down the bottom right corner of the cell up to cell D10, and that's it. So this is all for this video tutorial. See you guys again in another video tutorial.